We're rolling. Let's do this. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I've told you because my phone's been running and I may be getting a new phone. I'll have a new account and stuff. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make soap slime. The slime that you will need, the soap that you will need, is like a gelish slime, which is already like it. See? It's like that. I've already made it. So that's the kind of texture that you will need. So I'm just placing my phone here. Sorry about my hands in this. I didn't set this up right. So we've got the French slime. Here's two comparisons. One in here. One in here. So this one was this morning at 6. You probably can't see it. Well, you can see that was at 6. This is almost 7, and you got to leave this in the fridge for 24 hours. I've almost been doing this line for about almost 12 hours. The next time I'm using this little stick here. Really almost a proper slime. You probably can't see it properly, but it is in there. This is more of a slime, so the comparison is you do have to leave it in for 24 hours. See, like you can't really pick it up, like, because it's been in for over 12 hours, almost 24, till 7 p.m. tonight. But I'm going to leave it in a bit later, and I'm going to make another which I will not take out or mix at all. So let me just go wipe my hands. Yeah. Sorry, you can't see anything. But, so the comparison of which one is better is obviously that one. So these are going to go back into the fridge until they're fully up. But come with me. Quick. It gets dark. I'm like, it's not spring, it's still winter. It's not spring until the 23rd of September. So that's why it's not spring yet. We've got some grains of my parents' room. Okay, so we're here. Got that, need another. And need your ball. So it's like creepy just looking at me like. We're gonna do it in a bigger one because the spatch is gonna be bigger than I choose to make because it's more soap. So I'm just grabbing another little fancy tool here. This was used to mix drinks and stuff. So yeah, we'll put those ones back. But this is the texture that you want. Look at that gel texture. That's the texture you want. That's the perfect texture for the slime. Oh. Hey.
Hey.
Just one. This texture is like literally almost proper so lime. Like I never made it. So now we're just gonna put them back in the fridge. This one will be done tomorrow afternoon. And this video is going to be posted. This is just which one turns out better. The ones I haven't touched or one that I have touched. But yeah, you want that texture. If you want, you could use this Dettol Soft on Skin Hard on Germs. Personally, I have but yeah. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'll be back with what it turned out tomorrow. See you guys next time. Bye.